Hello, fourth graders. Today we are going to work on lesson 4 in unit 4 on page 199 in your green math workbooks. If you could follow along with me, that would be great. Today we're going to be learning about comparison bars in our comparison problems. The first one that we're going to do together is an example, and then we will work through the first page together. And then I would like you to do page 200 on your own. And when you are finished, take a picture and post it to Seesaw so that I can see you completed it. Think Central is also open to do. 4.4 is available now, and you can work on that too. And I will be recording who submits it. So it's really important that you keep up with our math lessons, even though we're doing them at home instead of at school together. Okay. Let's get started. Our first problem, I'm going to read together. It says, to prepare for a family gathering, Sarah and Ryan made soup. Sarah made 2 quarts, Ryan made 6 quarts. You can compare amounts using multiplication and division. Let R equal the number of quarts Ryan made. Let S equal the number of quarts Sarah made. Ryan made 3 times as many quarts as Sarah. You can see the 3 problems, the 3 equations for this problem written out below. R equals 3 times S, or the same without the dot representing the multiplication symbol. R equals 3S, or a division problem would be S equals R divided by 3. As you can see, we always use the lesser amount repeating on the top. So 2 is representing 6 repeated. Let's do number 1 together. Draw comparison bars to show the amount of soup each person made. So Natasha made 12 quarts of soup and Manuel made 3. So I'm going to write here, better get my pencil here. Start with black. Okay. Manuel made 3, Natasha made 12. So I'm going to draw the lesser amount first. That is Manuel's, so M. Sorry for my bad handwriting, it's hard to write. I need to get a stylus, I'm just using my finger here. Natasha, we're going to repeat the amount of 3 on top until we get to 12. 3, 3, 3, 3. If we count by threes, we'll see that we got to 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. So how many times more did Natasha make than Manuel? Manuel made 1/4 the amount of soup that Natasha made, or Manuel made, let's just do number 2, I'm sorry. Who made 4 times as many quarts as who? So Natasha made 4 times as many quarts as Manuel. Number 3, write a multiplication equation that compares the amounts. Let's think for a minute. How are we going to write a multiplication equation that compares the 2 amounts? So N stands for Natasha. Natasha equals 4 times the amount that Manuel made. Now let's write a division equation that compares the amounts. So now we're going to start with Manuel. Manuel made Natasha's amount divided by 4. Look at Natasha's amount on top. If we divide that by 4, that equals Manuel's amount. Number 5, multiplication is the putting together of equal groups. How can this idea be used to explain why times as many comparing situation is multiplication? So the greater quantity is repeated groups of the lesser quantity. So I hope this helps. explain number or page 200, you will just be, let me turn my page here. You will be using the same comparison bars and writing multiplication and division problems to represent the word problems. If you have any questions, you can post them to Seesaw, or if you if you finish, please just take a picture of page 200 and post it to Seesaw so I can see that you worked on it. If you have questions, let me know. Also, Think Central 4.4 is due April 1st. Thank you guys very much.